Hello students. But in P block elements, that is 15 group element, we completed till the phosphine. But remaining part of that one, uh, it's a halide of phosphorus. Because last part, I remember in my previous class, we completed up to the allotropic form of the phosphorus and compound of the phosphorus is a phosphine. Preparation properties uses we have seen. Now, the part which is left in that particular 15 group element is a halide of a phosphorus. So this one we are going to start about the halide of phosphorus. So I should write here, this is the phosphorus halide. These are the phosphorus halides. This phosphorus halide is of two types. One is a trihalide, another one is a pentahalide. But nitrogen is the element can form the trihalide, but it cannot form the pentahalide. Reason due to absence of a we can say vacant d orbital. As a vacant d orbital is not there, it cannot expand its octet, and hence it cannot form its a pentahalide. So phosphorus has a tendency to form two type of the halide, but one will be called as a px3 and another one will be called as a px5. But a px3 called as a trihalides of phosphorus and px5 will be called as a pentahalide of a phosphorus. That means our pentahalide of a phosphorus. That means our phosphorus can form the pentahalide due to the availability of the vacant d orbital. So what is that? The halide can be formed by the trihalide and the pentahalide. So trihalide mein fluorine, chlorine, bromine was written. Trihalide mein your halogen should be what? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, even iodine is possible. Phosphorus can form the trihalide with iodine. But pentahalide mein beta halogen it should be either fluorine or chlorine or bromine. We cannot use the iodine. That means PI5 cannot be formed. Reason is that smaller size of central atom and larger size of a surrounding atom. But this larger size and smaller size may that overlapping is not a what you can say good overlapping we can say or overlapping is not a proper overlapping will be there because we are having the phosphorus whose atomic number 15. That means it is having an unpaired electron in the phosphorus that is on 3s orbital. And iodine, it belongs to beta fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That means belongs to total what we can say second, third, fourth, fifth period element. So beta 3s and 5s that overlapping is not convenient or not proper due to the improper orientations or overlapping. The bond is not a strong bond, it is a weak bond. So that type of the compound cannot exist by the phosphorus, right? We'll start with the trihalide of phosphorus. That is a phosphorus trihalide. First one is we'll see about phosphorus trihalide. Sir, what is the trihalide of the phosphorus and what kind of the compound it will form here? Let us say first one, I'll go with the preparation of a trihalide and we'll see most of the thing is a PCl3 wala trihalide we'll see. So why only PCl3? Because our NCERT gave the PCl3. So instead of trihalide, shall I write beta? It is a phosphorus trichloride. Yeah. So we'll see the method of preparation of PCl3 and important properties of it. So first we'll see about the preparation. How the trihalide of phosphorus can form. Yeah. Sir, phosphorus on reacting with the chlorine, it has a tendency to form trichloride. Phosphorus 4 make 4 into 3, 12, make it 6. Means by passing dry chlorine gas. Dry chlorine gas. But over the phosphorus, what is this phosphorus? White phosphorus. What it form? Phosphorus trichloride. It is the first one. But it also can be obtained by the reaction of thionyl chloride with a white phosphorus. Second method is there. Preparation of phosphorus, trichloride. Means let us say beta, we are having a still white phosphorus is there. I am going to react with the SOCl2. SOCl2 called as a what? Thionyl chloride. When it react with this thionyl chloride, it has a tendency to form its halide. What is that? Yeah, phosphorus trichloride. With this one, it liberate SO2 gas. But SOCl2 means here it liberate SO2 gas, right? But at the same time, it also has a tendency to form the dimer of it called as a S2Cl2. But this S2Cl2 will have a lot of important, we can say, properties that we learn in our first year alkene. A reaction of alkene with a monochloride of a sulfur has a tendency to form a mustard gas. That is the one of the case here. So white phosphorus on heating with a thionyl chloride has a tendency to form PCl3 SO2 gas and monochloride, that is a dimer of the sulfur monochloride, right? It is a two method of preparation of trichloride. So what about the property, how it look like? So go with the properties also. Go with the properties. The important property was, so how this PCl3 we? So PCl3 is a colorless oily liquid. Property beta. Colorless oily liquid, right? If you want to hydrolyze it in presence of moisture, has a tendency to form a phosphorus acid. Let us say second one. This PCl3, when it is going to react with the water, but a hydrolysis take place because central atom is still having the vacant orbital, and wherever presence of vacant orbital beta, it can undergo hydrolysis and form its acid H3PO3, phosphorus acid H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Yeah, by the liberation of the vapors of HCl. Make it here 3, no? 6. 3 into 2, 6. Oxygen 3, phosphorus 1, chlorine 3, right? We got that is the phosphorus acid H3PO3, right? But it also has a tendency to react. This is the property 1, colorless oily liquid, can undergo hydrolysis. But it also has a tendency to combine with a organic compound containing which group? OH group, such as acetic acid or ethyl alcohol. So I want to write here. It is a PCl3. It has a tendency to combine with the organic compound containing OH group. It has a tendency to combine with the compound organic compound containing OH group. But when it combined with this compound, it is a possibility to form its compound called as a acetyl chloride and H3PO3. What is that? CH3COCl plus H3PO3, hydrogen 3, 1 phosphorus, CH3COOH, right sir? See beta, CH3, yes. Then COH, then CH3COCl came out. What is there with you beta? 1 phosphorus is there and hydrogen. Chalo, make it 3 mole now because we have to balance it kada. So it should be making 3 mole. So it should be making 3 mole. Hydrogen 3, yes sir. 1 phosphorus, right? And oxygen also 3 beta. This will go off. This OH group will go off. So H3PO3. Now go with the alcohol. PCl3 on combining with the alcohol like a C2H5OH. But it also has a tendency to form same. See here, this OH will go off. Make it 3 mole. So 3 moles of alkyl halides. Why? Because 3 chlorine and 3 alkyl group go. Then H3P and O3. Same byproduct we got as a phosphorus acid. Is it clear? Properties. So check the structure of PCl3. But you know, based on the hybridization method, Z value of PCl3 equal to what? It is a 1/2. Phosphorus belong to fifth group. Number of electron in the valence shell is 5. Monovalent is 3 beta. 5 plus 3, 8. 8/2, 4. Z value 4. Hybridization sp3. Geometry should be a tetrahedral. But due to presence of lone pair, the shape of the molecule become a pyramidal. That means Z value equal to 4. How many bond pair and lone pair? But you only decide. Because Z value equal to 4. Surrounding atom is 3 bond pair, 3 lone pair, 1. So due to presence of 1 lone pair, we can write this is a 1 lone pair and these are the 3 bond pair of the chlorine. Look like a how beta? It's look like a pyramidal in shape, right? It is a complete part of the PCl3. Take out beta. Second one we'll see now, that is a phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, right? Same way, method of preparation, its properties and its structures. How does it exist? What are the two different forms? Whether it will have any ionic form or not, that everything we'll learn about the pentachloride of a phosphorus. But this all trihalides, pentahalide, all the part which I'm going to cover, it is everything from the NCRT, right? So now phosphorus pentachloride, these are the phosphorus. Phosphorus, what is that, sir? Pentachloride. Sir, phosphorus pentachloride means we can write in the form of a PCl5. Yeah, beta, PCl5. First, we'll talk about the method of preparation. How the PCl5 can be prepared and what are the methods are there. Same way. Sir, if we are having a, what is that? Previously, we used to use white. Now also we are using the white phosphorus. But suppose white phosphorus on heating with the excess of dry chlorine gas. Chlorine gas, it is a dry, and excess, it is in excess. So what it has to form? Pentachloride. Make it phosphorus 4, that means 5 into 420. Make 10 mole of this one. It is the first method. Second one, same method. It also has a tendency to combine with a thionyl chloride. But a thionyl chloride is SOCl2, and this is a SO2Cl2 called as a sulfuryl chloride. It is called as a what? Sulfuryl chloride. That case means what you are having? SOCl2 called as a what? Thionyl chloride. Now it is combining with a sulfuryl chloride, right? What is this beta? Same, white phosphorus. So white phosphorus on reacting with a sulfuryl chloride, what it gives? So it will form pentachloride and it liberate the gas called as a what? SO2 gas. Is it clear? So white phosphorus with sulfuryl penta, white phosphorus with thionyl tri. Here same with a dry chlorine gas, trichloride. Excess of dry chlorine gas gives rise to pentachloride, right? So it is a method of preparation method, I can say. So what about the properties of this group element? But the properties of this pentachloride can be done by this way. What is a PCl5? First of all, we should write here. So it is a, that one is colorless oily liquid, but PCl5, it is a yellowish white powder. PCl5, it is a yellowish white powder, right? And in moist air, that means moisture means air having the moisture. Wherever moisture is there, beta, it undergoes this hydrolysis, right? As it undergo hydrolysis and finally can be converted into H3PO4. So second part I'll write here. PCl5 with the help of moisture, it undergoes hydrolysis and it forms POCl3 and HCl in the first step. But obtain POCl3, now it undergoes again hydrolysis and it will form here as a H3PO4. Previously what we call beta? H3PO3, now H3PO4. Remaining is the byproduct of a HCl. We can balance it, right? By balancing, it was seen here, it is a 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, hydrogen 2, make it 2 mole, 3 plus 2, 5 chlorine, 5 chlorine. Here beta, it become a 3 moles of water and we are getting here as a 3 moles of HCl. Together we got here as a, what is that? That is a phosphorus acid, and this one will be called as a phosphoric RiC acid. Hydrolysis product of the pentachloride, right? So one properties to method of preparations we have seen here. Now when it is heated now, it has a tendency to sublime. This phosphorus pentachloride is there. One more property is there. But when this is going to heat, it has a tendency to form PCl3 plus Cl2. But in IIT, some questions they ask in this way. Sir, this is a phosphorus pentachloride is there. You know, the structure become a TBP, trigonal bipyramid. They are asking which chlorine is coming from here. So remember, these bonds are called as a equatorial bond. This bond is a what better? This bond is a equatorial, and this bond is a axial and axial. If you want to check the bond length, it was seen that among the equatorial and axial, if you want to check the bond length, beta, axial will have a greater bond length. That means this bond can be broken easily, this bond can be broken easily. And the chlorine which is coming liberated from here, is chlorine actually coming from this part. These are the two chlorine which is at the axial positions are liberated as a gas. Remaining we are getting the trihalides. Right, beta? It is a one of the method or important properties of PCl5. Right. It also has a tendency to combine with a, what beta? It also has a tendency to combine with the organic compound containing OH group. What is that? I'll write here. phosphorus pentachloride on combining with a organic compound containing a OH group. But here we are getting the same way the product what we got in the previous case. What we got? CH3COCl, C2H5Cl. But in this one, the additional byproduct we are getting here as POCl3 plus vapor of HCl. POCl3 plus vapor of HCl with the acetic acid and with the ethyl alcohol. These are the methods we are getting, or these are the products we are getting, right? But it also has a tendency to combine with a finely divided metals and form its a halide Let me tell you one more. So this phosphorus pentachloride can be reacted with the metal, but this metal it must be in their powdered form, right? At the same time, phosphorus pentachloride also has a tendency to combine with the powdered metal of it like a tin SN, and what it can form here. Beta Ag with Cl to form AgCl. Beta Sn with Cl to form SnCl4. Right, beta? The remaining is a byproduct. Make it that. Sir, it will form as a byproduct with a trihalides. Has a tendency to combine with the metal and forming these are the salt and the remaining byproduct as a trihalide. Is okay? Chalo, check it beta. Now uses we'll go with the structures. Chalo. See it. PCl5 when it is in liquid state or when it is in gaseous state, it has trigonal bipyramidal. But a trigonal bipyramidal geometry means TBP must be there. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Are you able to see beta? This is a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Means in my PCl5 में central atom phosphorus की Z की value is 5. Z की value 5 means you can again imagine sir, Z is equal to bond pair plus lone pair. That means how many bond pairs surrounding atom is 5. Bond pair is 5, lone pair is 0. Is it clear sir? No lone pair. So whatever the geometry it will have, the same shape it must have. In this one, 2 chlorine, one is above, one is below, called as a chlorine at the axial, and remaining 3 chlorine at the equatorial. Is it clear? Okay. It is in which state beta? Liquid state as well as in gaseous state. But if the PCl5 it is in solid state, it will exist in its ionic form. Is it clear? It will exist in its ionic form. PCl4 positive, PCl6 negative. What is that? Dimeric form beta. PCl5 का dimer is P2Cl10. P2Cl10. Is it clear? If you are unable to see here, again I'll write here beta. Again I'll write here. Very, very important question. In your NEET point of view, IIT point, everywhere this question was there. PCl5 in liquid and gaseous state, TBP geometry. TBP geometry means trigonal bipyramidal geometry in liquid state or it is in gaseous phase. But when these PCl5, it will exist as a solid state, how it look like? But it has ionic form. Sir, what is the ionic form of the PCl5 in solid state? Same. PCl4 getting the positive charge and PCl6 getting the negative charge. These are the ionic form existence of PCl5 when it is in which state? Solid state. Right? Very good. In this one, PCl4 plus may see the phosphorus and in the PCl6 negative may see the phosphorus. I'll tell you beta, phosphorus in PCl4, it has tetrahedral structures. And the phosphorus in PCl6, it has octahedral structures. How beta? Z is equal to 1 by 2, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12 by 2, 6. Z equal to 6, octahedral. Z is equal to 4, tetrahedral. In cationic form, tetrahedral. Anionic form, octahedral. The most important part about the phosphorus pentachloride. Please take a screenshot of this one also. So last part is now we will see oxo acid of phosphorus. But what are the oxo acid? What are the structures, name, formula? Everything we'll do one by one. We'll do. It will also have some trick, but that trick also we have to see. But at present, try to remember this one only. It is more than enough to remember the trick. But anyhow, I will tell you the trick of this one. But at present, I should cover everything from the oxo acid of phosphorus, which was given in our NCRT, right? Which is given in our NCRT. Right, madam. Sir, oxy acids of phosphorus, right? Actually, we have to see according to NCRT, all 6 oxo acids are there, right? I'll go with one by one. First one, it will be called as a hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. But a hypophosphorus acid is also called as a phosphenic acid. Called as a what? Phosphenic. Called as a phosphenic acid. Formula beta here H3PO2. Sir, what is the oxidation state of phosphorus? How many POH bonds are there? How many pH bond is there? How many P double bond is there? How to form, right? The first one, oxidation state of phosphorus. 2 into -2, -4 plus 3. But a -4 plus 3 -1 become +1 is the oxidation state of phosphorus. Sir, how this H3PO2 can form? We can say it directly. According to NCRT, he wrote that white phosphorus on combining with a alkali, it has a tendency to form the H3PO2 called as a hypophosphorus acid, called as a phosphenic acid. Structure is important, sir. But a H3PO2 mein central atom phosphorus must have a tetrahedral arrangement. This is a way. Hydrogen, how many beta? 3. Make it 1, 2 and 3. Oxygen 2 beta. Make it 1 and 2. Oxygen ki valency 2, double bond. Now I will ask you, how many POH bond is there? Yes, sir. We have 1 POH bond. POH bond is how many? Only 1. How many pH bonds are there? So we have 2 pH bond. 2 pH bond. How many P double bond O is there? So we have 1 P double bond. Right? Once again, I'll tell you the structure. How to draw the structure. See, with a central atom phosphorus, yeah, it must have a tetrahedral arrangement. Tetrahedral means 1, 2, 3 and 4. But it must be in which form? Tetrahedral arrangements. Right, sir? Tetrahedral over. But in this tetrahedral, may check it here. Hydrogens, how many? 3. Start from here. Leave the gap. Put the H here. H here. H here. See, I left the gap here. Oxygen 2 with bond O with bond O over. Oxygen की valency 2 double bond. See beta, POH bond is 1, P double bond O is 1, pH bond is 2. It is a structure. It is what? First one. Chalo, second one we'll do now. Second one, beta, orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid. Beta, first one is phosphenic, second one is phosphonic. Phenic na beta? Phosphonic acid. Now, formula for this one is, yeah, yes sir. Beta, it is a H3PO2, it is a H3PO3. But I just try to compare the thing to remember the formula. Phosphorus, phosphorus, phosphorus acid, hypo, PO2, ortho, PO3. Right? Actually, the meaning will be different. Hypo, ortho, we can say pyro, again are different. But at present, we are talking about hypo, PO2, ortho, PO3. Again, in some case, beta, you are getting the hypophosphoric. There again, different will be there. So better. Now, Right, sir. See here, uh, in this case, what we did here, once again, I'll tell you. Phosphorus acid beta H4P2O5. Oxidation state of phosphorus +3. How to prepare H4P2O5? That is a H3PO3 on treated with the trichloride of phosphorus form H4P2O5. But how to get the structures? Once again, I will draw the structures for you. Please listen here. Once again, structure I will draw. But phosphorus will have a tetrahedral arrangements, right? Phosphorus will have a tetrahedral arrangements. Tetrahedral means phosphorus must have a 4 bond. Based on that, the way how to draw or how to remember the structures, that one I give for you. 2 phosphorus, yes sir. We have to tetrahedral 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a 4. This is a 4. Now hydrogen 4. Distribute beta equal distribution. H and H. How many? 2H on this side, 2H on this side. Oxygen 5. Put 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oxygen valency 2, double bond, double bond. Now you can see how many pH bonds are there. So we have 2 pH bond, pH, pH. We have 2 POH bond, POH, POH. We have 2 P double bond O, P double bond O, P double bond O. But we have 1 POP linkages. Yes, sir. 2 POH, 2 pH, 2 P double bond O and 1 POP linkages. Right? Third one. Come for the fourth one now. Fourth one is a hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. Formula for hypophosphoric acid is what? Same H4P2O6. H4P2O6. Sir, difference 5 becomes 6. Pyro become hypo. OUS become IC. Correct, beta? Hypophosphoric H4P2O6. Oxidation state of phosphorus. I hope you are able to get now. It become a +4. How? 6 into 2, 12. But a -12 plus 4, -8 by 2, 4 plus 4. That is for the phosphorus. How it can be prepared? Red phosphorus with a alkali. Very simple. When red phosphorus on treated with alkali, it gives rise to H4P2O6 called as a hypophosphoric acid. Sir, what is the structure of this one? Central atom phosphorus. Yes, sir. But here oxygen is 6. Means now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be no POP linkages. Yes, sir. There will be no POP linkages. Because directly I should attach here. Hydrogen 4, 1, 2. Equal distribution 3, 4. Oxygen 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then 5 and then 6. O double bond O, O double bond O. Sir, how many POH bonds are there? We are having 4 POH bond. POH, 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 POH. How many? 4 are there. But how many P double bond O? We have 2 P double bond O. We have 1 P bond. PP linkages are there. Check it properly. 4 POH. Correct? 2 P double bond O and 1 PP linkages. Now next one is orthophosphoric acid H3PO4. Orthophosphoric acid. Shall I rub it? Very good. Fifth one is orthophosphoric acid. But orthophosphoric acid formula H3PO4. 4 into 2, 8, -8 plus 3, -5 become +5. Yeah, oxidation state of phosphorus is what? +5 here because orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 +5. How it can be prepared? Hydrolysis of pentoxide of phosphorus. Pentoxide of phosphorus undergoes hydrolysis and it forms H3PO4. But structures tetrahedral 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 3 start from here 1, 2, 3. Oxygen 4 1, 2, 3, 4 double bond. Sir, how many POH bonds are there? We have 3 POH bond, we have 1 P double bond O. These are there. Is it clear? Orthophosphoric. The next one is pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. H4P2O7, called as what? Pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid, beta H4P2O7. Oxidation state of phosphorus 7 into 2 14. 14 minus 14 plus 4, 10 by 2 plus 5. How it is method of preparation and structures and number of POH, PP, P double bond O and all, we'll check it here. So method of preparation for H4P2O7 is that when the heated phosphorus, or we can say we are having a phosphorus acid beta, that is phosphoric acid, when it is heated, phosphoric acid when it is heated, so it form H4P2O7. That means structure is what? Same way. 1, 2, 3. Beta 1, 2, 3. It is having. Oxygen is 7. So 1 you should give here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Khatam. Hydrogen 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oxygen double bond O. Double bond O. That means POH how many? 4. We are having a 4 POH bond. But we are having a 2 P double bond O. We are having 1 POP linkages. Till now, beta, we got a compound where the 2 POP linkages are there. Then metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. What is a metaphosphoric acid and how to get it? So I'll write the structure. HPO3 taken n times. HPO3 taken n times is a metaphosphoric acid. Right, but I'll write here metaphosphoric acid. Right, it became what? HPO3 taken n times. Oxidation state of phosphorus is +5.